Have you ever wondered how Egyptians actually broke this and they actually made the pyramids? What they did was they actually had a log of wood and they immersed that log of wood into water, and this wood actually imbibed water, absorbed water, and when this log of wood was put into that, it actually broke. So this is how seeds also germinate. You all know that water is needed by the plants, but during seed germination the first process, that is imbibition, takes place, that is absorption of water by the seeds. What happens when the seeds absorb water? The kernels develop a pressure due to which the seed coat breaks, and when the seed coat breaks, the seed germinates, because now it has an access to the oxygen outside the environment, it has access to the cellular activities which can actually take place, it can generate ATP, that is energy. This is how a seed germinates into a young plant. Okay, so this process is known as imbibition, by which there is absorption of water by the seeds so that it can germinate to produce a young plant. Okay, so what is going to happen when this seed germinates? The seed coat breaks open. When the outer seed coat breaks open, it has an access to oxygen, due to which it is going to lead to the cellular processes that will lead to the formation of a young plant. When the seeds absorb water, they actually double in size. Okay, when this size increases, this also develops a sort of pressure, right? I hope now this test tube is not going to break. The seeds are going to double in size, as you can see, because of the absorption of water and the development of pressure. So this is how this is being shown here. We have put in a syringe and there is water. When these seeds are going to absorb water, they are going to increase the volume, they are going to increase in size. So this is going to push in this syringe, and due to which this liquid is going to rise up, right? This is a syringe and we have actually introduced a pipette into it. When the seeds are going to absorb water by imbibition process, this level of this liquid is going to rise in the pipette. So this shows actually the extent of absorption of water shown by the seeds, which leads to their germination, due to which the young plant is going to be produced.